હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આજે આપણે વાત કરવાના છે કે ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ટ્રેક્શન એટલે કે ભાઈ આપણું મહત્ત્વનું ચેપ્ટર ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ટ્રેક્શન. બરાબર છે. જીટીયુની અંદર તમને 17થી 20 માર્ક જેટલું બરાબર કન્ટેન્ટ જે છે એની અંદર બરાબર પૂછાતું હોય છે. બરાબર છે. તો એની અંદર આપણે બરાબર બેઝિક ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શનથી આપણે વાત કરીએ. ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શનથી આપણે વાત કરીએ. બરાબર છે. વોટ ઇઝ ટ્રેક્શન? What is traction? What is traction? It means the process. It means the process of moving any vehicle is called a traction. Or in other words, you say that the act of drawing or pulling by power is known as a traction. For example, like our steam engine drive. For example, our steam engine drive. Next is a diesel engine drive. Then battery drives. Okay. Traction is further divided into two parts. First one is a non-electric traction. And second one is electric traction. Now, what is non-electric traction? Okay, this system, or you can say this traction system does not use electricity at any stage. Okay. For example, our steam engine drive. Next one is IC engine drive. Okay. Now, what is steam engine drive? How it's work? બરાબર. It's based on our TPS. It means our thermal power plant. બરાબર. It means our thermal power plant, or you can say that a thermal power station. બરાબર. In that we have a boiler or coal which is burnt in combustion chamber. Then produce a heat with the use of water. We can generate a steam. And steam is utilized with high velocity. With high velocity in steam turbine. And turbine works. In our case, now in our case a same principle is used. Same principle is used. In our case, a turbine replaced by a train. A turbine replaced by a train means wheel of train. Wheel of train. Okay. Next is our IC engine drive. What is IC engine drive? Okay. What is IC engine drive? Today we operate so many vehicles. So many vehicle like car, bike, etc. It's totally based on a IC engine drive. Okay. Next is what is electric traction? Electric traction means they involve the use of electric energy. At some or other stage, or you can say that other stage. Okay. Now electric traction is further divided into two groups. Okay. First one is self-contained. Okay. Now what is self-contained? Okay. The source of energy is self-contained in the vehicle. For example, our battery drives. You can say that our battery drives. Okay. Next is a vehicle, means a vehicle which receive power from a distribution network. For example, best example is our electric train. In that case, a train had overhead lines, means OH lines. Okay. Next is a train has some equipment. Some equipment in his overhead, like a pantograph. What is pantograph? How it's work? Pantograph is nothing but is a current collecting device. It is current collective device. Pantograph is a current collective device. Okay. Another is a train has some equipment on his roof. Like we earlier said that a pantograph. Okay. And make pantograph a contact wire. Make a pantograph a contact with wire. Means its overhead line. Overhead line, or you can say that a wire is nothing but our distribution network. Okay. These are the electric traction and non-electric traction type in details. Okay. Now most important is what is the ideal requirement? Okay, what is the ideal requirement? What is the ideal requirement? What is the ideal requirement? Ideal requirement of traction system. Ideal requirement of traction system means what type of traction system is suitable for electric train. Okay, in that case, first we have discussed a high tractive effort. Okay, high tractive effort, or you can say that F of T, बराबर. What is high tractive effort, or you can say that high tractive effort? Okay, in that case, high tractive effort means, as we earlier said, a process of moving any vehicle, process of moving any vehicle called a traction. Okay, in that case, a vehicle in that case, a vehicle is acted some force, hence a vehicle is moving, now a force, where it comes, force જે છે એ બરાબર ક્યાંથી આવશે? where it comes, force comes from a steam engine, or you can say that a IC engine, or in other case electric traction, electric device like which generate mechanical force, by using our traction motor, in that case, which type of traction is suitable for motor, means which type of motor is suitable for a traction purpose. Okay, so we can say that a DC series motor is more suitable for a traction purpose. Okay, next we discuss later a DC series motor characteristic. Which type of characteristic of DC series motor? Okay, next is ideal characteristic is a self-contained and compact. Okay, what is self-contained? Okay, now what is self-contained and compact? Which source of energy takes itself, and it should be a compact, बराबर. Okay, next one is, third one is a good overload capacity. Good overload capacity means its rated capacity should withstand, means when a load is higher, so it should be kept withstand, means કે હાઈ લોડ કેપેસિટી જે છે એ બરાબર કેરી કરી શકે, બરાબર છે. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ, ફોર્થ વન ઇઝ હાઈ કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ એધેશન. હાઈ કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ એધેશન, or you can say that mu. Okay. What is high coefficient of adhesion? What is the adhesion? Okay. What is the meaning of adhesion? It means a sticking. It means a sticking of any two bodies. Sticking of any two bodies. Sticking of any two bodies, or you can say that a gum. Okay. Next one is a wheel should be in that our case a wheel should stick on road. Wheel should stick on road or a track, or you can say that a track means, or you can say that a good road grip means tire or wheel should good road grip. Okay. Next one is our fifth ideal characteristic of low initial cost. Low initial and maintenance cost. Okay, these are the ideal requirement of traction system, that low initial cost and maintenance cost is very low. Next one, sixth one is a clean means no pollution, means pollution free, no pollution, or you can say that a pollution free. Okay. Next one is our 7 is easy speed control, or you can say that the speed can be controlled by easy speed control. Like in hilly areas, that more power is required, that more power is requirement in starting, then power should be regenerated, or you can say that the power is stored. So we can utilize for the further next stage. Regenerate the power means regenerating power capability should be high. Okay. Next one is 8 is a reliability. Next one is a reliability means vehicle operate, or you can say that a train is operate full load capacity. A train is operate, or you can say that a vehicle is operate its load capacity, its full load capacity, or you can say that its full load capacity. Okay. These are the ideal characteristic, or you can say that what is the ideal requirement of a traction system. Okay friends, next lecture we have considered electrification, track electrification. Next lecture we have considered about most MP question regarding a track electrification. Track electrification means how many types of electrification is done, okay, in traction system. Okay, next lecture we have considered in that case a track electrification. Okay friends. Okay, namaskar friend.